wanna buy a bottle, you wanna sit down. You wanna disappear to the bathroom, come back scratching your nose, talk about starting a business. It's always the same thing with you, man. You talk, you just talk. You just talk. You just talk.
How's it, guys, and welcome to another Voodoo Racing YouTube. So today we are here in Hartbeesfontein for, I don't know, I'm not sure which round it is, or is it regional or club racing, but here with Africa Off-Road. This is our first event, and we only had two riders competing, John Graham and Sebastian Tello. They did all three loops, and yeah, let's say the body is pretty much fucked. So yeah, so now we're getting ready for the cars. It's around 1 o'clock here, 1:30. So as you can see, most of the cars are lining up and getting into the starting positions. I think the first one is about to pull off now. So yeah, let's see what the car's gonna do. The route is already run out, so they're running the same route as the bikes. So yeah, the route is open. So let's see how the cars are doing. Cheers, guys.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these brothers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen. They be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 jeans, true religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on dating. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump, my humps. They got you.
She's got me spending.
Oh, spending all your money on me and spending time on me.
She's got me spending.
Oh, spending all your money on me, on me,
What you
on
gonna
me.
do with all that junk inside that trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump.
What you gonna do with all that ass inside them jeans?
I'ma make you scream, make you scream, make you scream. Cause of my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump.
What?
My hump, my hump, my hump. My lovely lady lumps. Check it out.
I met a girl down at the disco. She said, hey, yeah, let's go. I could be your baby, you could be my honey, and let's spend time, not money. And mix your milk with my cocoa puff. Milky, milky cocoa. Mix your milk with my cocoa puff. Milky, milky,
They
right?
say I'm really sexy. The boys, they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama, no drama, no drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy.
Okay, so we're done with Hartbeesfontein race, and these two oaks had a bet. If John beats Sebastian is gonna shave his hair. So now Sebastian beat John, so now John is gonna shave his shit box. Yes. So let's get.
Push me and then just touch
Okay, so
till I
like you
can
all know,
get
Sebastian won the
satisfaction.
bet.
Oh yes.
Push me and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction.
Mr. Ball Joint.
Push me and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction.